How can I fix my phone so that it stops sending calls straight to voicemail without ringing?
Friendly greeting. Hey there. Welcome to today's video where we'll discuss how to fix your phone so that calls stop going straight to voicemail without ringing. It can be frustrating when you miss important calls, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in and find a solution to this issue.
Check and adjust call settings.
The first step is to ensure that your phone's call settings are configured correctly. Highlight. Here are the steps you can follow. 1. Open the Phone or Call app on your device. 2. Look for the Settings or Call Settings option. It is usually accessible through a menu or by tapping the three dots or gear icon. 3. In the Call Settings, find the Call Forwarding or Call Divert option. Tap on it. Highlight. Now, there are a few possibilities to consider. Call forwarding enabled. If call forwarding is enabled, it means that incoming calls are being redirected to another number, such as your voicemail or another phone. Disable call forwarding by selecting the option to turn it off. Call forwarding disabled. If call forwarding is already disabled, proceed to the next step. Look for the Do Not Disturb or DND settings. If enabled, this feature may send incoming calls directly to voicemail without ringing. Disable the Do Not Disturb mode. Highlight. After adjusting these settings, check if the issue persists. If the problem continues, let's move on to the next section.
Restart your phone.
Sometimes, a simple restart can solve various software glitches or conflicts that may cause calls to go straight to voicemail. Highlight. Here's what you can do. 1. Press and hold the power button of your phone. 2. From the menu that appears, select Restart or Reboot. 3. Wait for your device to shut down and start up again. Highlight. Once your phone has restarted, test if the issue has been resolved. If not, let's proceed to the next step.
Update your phone's software.
Outdated software can sometimes lead to unexpected issues, including call-related problems. Highlight. To update your phone's software, follow these general steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Look for the Software Update or System Update option. It is typically located in the About Phone or Software section. 3. Tap on Check for Updates or a similar button to initiate the update process. 4. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Highlight. After updating your phone's software, check if the issue has been resolved. If not, let's move on to the final section.
Contact your service provider.
If none of the previous steps have resolved the problem, it's time to reach out to your service provider for further assistance. Highlight. Contact their customer support or visit their website to get in touch with them. Highlight. Remember to provide them with all the relevant details, including your phone model, the issue you're experiencing, and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They will be able to guide you further and provide specific solutions based on your device and network. That wraps up our video on how to fix your phone so that calls stop going straight to voicemail without ringing. We covered various troubleshooting steps, including checking and adjusting call settings.